Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Telnet client on Windows 10. Telnet is a classic but useful tool for network troubleshooting, and I'll guide you through every step safely. First, press the Windows key to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to all system settings and programs. Next, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. The Control Panel is where you can configure key Windows features and settings. In the Control Panel, go to the Program section, then click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. This lets you enable optional Windows features like Telnet. Scroll through the list until you find Telnet Client. A quick tip: items are listed alphabetically, so look for the ones starting with T. Check the box next to Telnet Client, then click OK. Windows will configure and enable the feature, which might take a few moments. Once completed, Telnet is enabled on your system. Keep in mind that Telnet is not encrypted, so use it carefully for troubleshooting or connecting to trusted devices. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Telnet client on Windows 10. It's a handy tool for network admins and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.